Hi guys, this is Cindy Kimberly and we're on set for my Wildflower shoot. Here it is. That's me. The inspo behind my case, this sounds so narcissistic, but it's me. It's like the little girl in me. And it was one of my drawings. We've actually been talking about making a collab for years, so I'm really happy it finally happened. I've been drawing my entire life, to be honest. Like, I think one of my first memories in my life is drawing like little doodles of Cinderella. But these characters I kind of started making like 4 or 5 years ago. They're all kind of inspired by like my childhood, and they're like all little stories about me or my childhood, or like just kind of like girly things, just things about girlhood. They're all really inspired about like the female experience in girlhood. I met Devin and Sydney through friends, I feel like. When did we meet? Oh, not the camera pan. I think I was literally like 16 or 17. Yeah, I think we met at the club. I think you were DJing. Yeah, I met Sydney during her DJ era. You were DJing at Blind Dragon, which is not even open anymore. What? Yeah, you're like, that wasn't me. And Devin, I think I met at an event, a fashion event years ago. But no, I'm wrong. I first met Devin at a clothing store my first time I was in LA, and I knew who she was because I knew her dog, and she was with her dog. And I remember I told my boyfriend at the time, I was like, I love that girl. She's so cool.
I can't believe it's gonna be real. Oh my god!
Without you, Daddy warned me, said it's naughty to do the thing.
So cute. Oh my god. That's Oh, that's cute with the cherry. So cute.
You appeared out of thin air, took my hand and told me not to care, but your stare never had a hold on me the way you thought.
Lip liner, for sure. Like by 1,000. Mine. Ooh, both together. Heels. Or like a kitten heel. Sweet, for sure. Vintage, but also new, because my designs are new. What is one thing that people don't know about me? That I can't shut up on Twitter. So everyone knows everything about me. I gotta say, I've been rocking the ballet flats for the past 3-4 years. Should I say, it's like, really? It's like bows, but I'm like, I have a bow on my head. I don't know. I think everything like rises and dies out so quickly that everything is trending, but nothing is, so. Tumblr. What song is on repeat? Let me check my phone. What's the title of the new Charlie XCX with Addison Rae? Von Dutch. And honestly, just my purse. Sometimes I bring out my purse and it has nothing in it, just the purse. Well, me and coffee is like a love-hate relationship. So sometimes it's actually a matcha latte, but I would say like a vanilla oat latte. My comfort TV show is The Vampire Diaries. I'm a Scorpio. Libra moon, Pisces rising. Girly, sexy, and random. Tumblr. It's like TikTok, but also I'm so so much of a night person that it turns into morning, actually. I don't know. I'm a citizen of the world, but maybe New York or London. Yeah, New York or London. Sorry, LA. In LA, it's not a city in my head. It's like its own thing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Shop my case on wildflowercases.com.